So now we're going to evaluate polynomial functions. So all this means is we're going to take this 3 and we're going to plug it into the function and solve. So let's do that. So x equals 3, so we're going to plug it in. F of 3, this is 2 times 3 to the 4th minus 8 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 minus 7. So 3 to the 4th is 81 minus 8 times 3 squared is 9 plus 15 minus 7. So 2 times 81 is 162 minus 72, and 15 minus 7 is positive 8. So 162 minus 72 plus 8, so 162 minus 72, that's 90 plus 8. So this is 98. So all we're trying to find is the y value when we plug in the 3. So I'm going to try these 2 examples here. All right, if you tried this out, for number 4, you'd have gotten -7. So remember that negative, you apply that negative last. So 4 cubed is 64, and so I left the parentheses here just to remind us that this negative gets multiplied last, which means it is still a -64. Then the 4 squared, that's 16 times 3, which is 48, and then the 9 stays there. Then you finish evaluating. -64 plus 48 plus 9 will get you a -7. The number 5, you plug in a -2. So -2 to the 5th power is a -32. -2 to the 4th is a positive 16. And again, the negative is still there. And then -6 times -2 is a positive 12 plus 10. So 3 times -32 is -96 minus 16. And then I added 12 and 10, which is 22. Then -96 minus 16, that is -112 plus 22, which gets us a -90.